Hello friends, in this video we will see what is Hibernate, why we need it and advantages of Hibernate. Hibernate is an open source object relational mapper solution. It is a lightweight and overcomes all the shortcomings that we face while working with JDBC. Now we'll see what is Hibernate. Hibernate is a framework in Java which comes with an abstraction layer and handles the implementations internally. The implementation include tasks like a query or CRUD operations or establishing a connection with databases. It is a lightweight and an ORM tool, and most importantly open source, which gives an edge over other frameworks. What is ORM? An ORM tool simplifies data creation, data manipulation and data access. It internally uses Java API to interact with the databases. Why we need a Hibernate framework? Hibernate overcomes the database dependency faced in JDBC. Changing of databases cost a lot while working on JDBC. Hibernate overcomes to this problem. Next is code portability is not an option while working on JDBC, which is handled by Hibernate easily. Hibernate strengthens the object level relationship. It overcomes the exception handling part, which is mandatory while working on JDBC. Hibernate overcomes the object level relationship. It reduces the length of code with increased readability by overcoming the boilerplate problem. Now we'll see what functionalities Hibernate supports. Hibernate uses Hibernate query language, that is SQL, which makes it database independent. It supports auto DDL operations. Hibernate has auto primary key generation support. It also supports cache memory. Exception handling is not mandatory for Hibernate. And most important, it's a ORM tool. These databases are supported by Hibernate: HSQL database engine, MySQL, Oracle, Frontbase, PostgreSQL, DB2, Sybase SQL Server, Informix Dynamic Server, Microsoft SQL Server database. Now we'll see what are advantages of Hibernate. Hibernate is a lightweight and open source. It increases the performance. Using cache memory, it helps in fast performance. Hibernate is database independent. Being database independent, it gives it ability to work with different databases. Auto DDL operations. It automatically creates tables, which saves us manually creating tables. Auto DDL operation. It automatically creates the database tables. It takes care of mapping Java classes and database tables. We can directly store and retrieve data from database using simple APIs. It does not require any application server to operate. It minimizes database access with smart fetching strategies. It provides simple querying of data. Thanks for watching.